Try to translate, then check.
In a small town, there was a boy named Jack. Jack loved to play outside and explore new places. One day, while walking near his house, he found an old wooden gate hidden behind some bushes.
Wow! What a fantastic place!
Jack pushed the gate open and discovered a secret garden. The garden was full of colourful flowers and tall trees. Birds sang in the branches and butterflies danced in the air. Jack felt like he had entered a magical world. Every day after school, Jack visited the secret garden. He took care of the plants and watched them grow. One day he met a girl named Emma in the garden. Emma was kind and friendly. She lived in the big house next to the garden. Jack and Emma became good friends. They played games, read books, and planted new flowers together. The garden became their special place. One day they found a small old box buried under a tree. Inside the box there were old photographs and letters. The letters were from Emma's grandmother, who used to take care of the garden when she was young. The letters talked about the importance of friendship and taking care of nature. Inspired by the letters, Jack and Emma decided to open the garden for everyone in the town. They organized a garden party and invited all their friends and neighbors. People loved the garden and appreciated Jack and Emma's efforts.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.